I'll drown the block 1,000 times. You missed every call that I had tried, so now I'm giving up. A heartbreak in mid-December. You don't give a fuck, you never remember me. While you're pulling on his jeans, getting lost in the big city. I was looking out your window, watching all the cars go, wondering if I see Chicago or a sunset on the West Coast, or will I die in the cold, feeling blue and alone.
Periode 2024
Debat kali ini ya.
masih pertama sih argumennya.
I hope you got your ballroom floor, your perfect house with rose red doors. I'm the last thing you'd remember. It's been a long, lonely December. I wish I'd known that less is more, but I was passed out on the floor. That's the last thing I remember. It's been a long, lonely December. You cast me aside to show yourself in a better light.